Sometimes my garage actually reflects my life. When it's clean, all is good, calm, got plenty of time. When it's this current mess, you know I've got a lot on. Hey everyone, welcome to Roads of Oz. My name is Matt and this is the October update of my Ducati Darmah. Sadly, not much to update. So I'm going to bore you with my sob story just very quickly. This month has just been chaos. At the start of the month we actually had some damage to our house that we own, and I had to get up and fix the roof, which cost quite a bit of money. Would have cost even more if I'd got contractors in. But having a decent understanding of how to use tools, I was able to repair it myself and save quite a few thousand in the process. Now you think saving that few thousand could go into the bike, but actually no, that's not the case. You can't have it if you don't spend it, and I just didn't have it, so it was far cheaper for me to do the repairs myself. And also through the month had the rego for the Monte Cristo, and then through no one's fault but my own, I bought another bike. Now, if you saw the last video, you would have saw it's a Kawasaki EL250. Cost $400, and that money actually come out of the restoration budget for this one. So pretty poor discipline on my part, I know, but bear with me, I will get back on track with this one as soon as possible. One of the viewers actually recommended I do a job a day, which is not actually practical or feasible with the Darmah due to the price. But he did make a slight point and made me rethink about how I'm going to go attacking this one. So what I've done, I've started looking at some of the minor jobs. Now, initially I was going to look at updating the suspension, but I didn't want it just sitting there. I'd rather get the suspension probably a month before the bike's ready to go back on the road. So what I have done, I've actually looked at the fuse box on this, as you'll see, as I was working on it a couple of nights ago. But today I thought I might change it up a little bit and I might start looking into the electrical. Pretty much the only thing I've updated on the Darmah is the rectifier, because the rectifier packed it in on the last big ride. I changed it over, I thought it was fine, and it worked fine. Definitely an aftermarket one, not your OEM replacement. I went aftermarket because it was a reputable rectifier and the OEM ones were known for failure. Anyway, on today's video, we're going to get under the bike, and if you see these lovely fuses here, I'm going to lay down because it's easier, they're horrible, and I want to update those. I want to put a new fuse block in there, so we're going to have a look and see how we can do that, see what's out available, and see if I can swap it for a blade style fuse, because they're just easier to come by. So I'll take the blade fuses out, and I'll just lay them down in order of how I removed them. Well, that one just fell out, that's half the problem. Now this isn't a hard task, and as you can see, most of the connections are have got a female type connector. So what I'll be doing is just measuring approximately, so it's about what are we, 45 mil from there to there. So I've got to find a 45 mil a blade fuse terminal block, 45 mil mounting points, and we'll see what's out there. So I've ordered the part. The part for the fuse holder, it won't be out till mid-November. Don't know if it's due to the pandemic, don't know, but I'll just be patient. It's not overly urgent. The next thing I wanted to look at, so this is the side cover for the Darmah, and one of the tabs has broken off, which is quite a common thing for these, or any of those motorcycles with this style of tab. Now, I found one on Gallon Lock, so there's actually a replacement. So I'm going to order that. Hopefully by the next video, you'll see me trying to install and repair it, see if it actually works. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to ramble on any longer. Still aiming to get the motor done by February, but fingers crossed, time will tell. I've contacted the mechanic, asked him that I've got to drop the rest of the parts off, which I've been saying I'm going to do for the last 3 months. Well, I want to get it done and get the ball rolling. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Thanks for sticking with me on this. There will eventually be progress, and the only reason I've done this video for this month is because I promised one video a month. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you on the next vid.